Google just dropped Nano Banana Pro, which is also called Gemini 3 Pro Image. And it says it creates and edit images with Nano Banana Pro for studio quality levels of precision and control. This is the home page. That's the display page. And you can try this in Gemini. You're going to have a pop-up which says try Gemini Pro or try Nano Banana Pro rather. It says explore how powerful AI image editing can support advanced creative workflows. Test ideas. Now, my area of interest is here, which says generate clear text. Sharp legible text helps you create impactful posters, intricate diagrams, and detailed product mockups. Describe what type of font you want, or simulate different types of handwritings. So I want to believe that these are examples of, what has been used, what has been generated using a Nano Banana Pro. How much wood would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? And then you can see this, you see Berlin on this wall, which looks very, very hyper realistic. And then this is another thing, typography. Then you can see all of this. So I want to believe that all of these were generated using Nano Banana Pro. Let's go down. It says real-world knowledge. Use the Gemini model's real-world knowledge and deep reasoning capabilities to deliver precise, detailed, rich image results. Annotate pictures, represent data as infographics, or turn handwritten notes into diagrams. So these are examples. You see, this is an example of a solar system. You have the panels, the inverter, home electricity, and all of these things. And then this is another one. So we go scroll, you see how to make a lychee chai. All of these were generated using Nano Banana Pro. And then you can translate and localize your ideas. Look at this is in English, and then this is in I think this should be Chinese or Japanese. And then you see Orafis. This is in Chinese. This is in English, and this should be in Spanish. You can see the difference here. So if we scroll down again, it says design style standardize. So all of this. So I want to believe that this is going to be very useful for people doing design, print on demand, and things like that. Because you see all of these were designed using Nano Banana Pro. So let's put it to the test. I've gone ahead and generated this prompt using AI to create me a Pinterest infographic. It's a keto infographic. So I've just pasted all of this here, and I'm going to give it a run right now. This is what I see. This is just simply amazing. I'll click on that to open. So this is a Pinterest infographic, 7 keto meals, 15 minutes prep, easy cherry scramble, tuna salad, lettuce cups, lemon butter, salmon, and asparagus. And it gives very, very precise pictures. So this is quite amazing. Now, you could also take it up a notch and say, I want you to use maybe Times New Roman, or you want to use the Sora theme or Sora type font rather. It's all up to you, but to me, this is actually amazing. Back on the official website, you see, it tells us play with colors and lighting, adjust color grades and lighting directions, or even change shot from day to night among dramatic alterations. So you see, this is a night shot, it turned it to day. Now I'm going to upload an image of a daytime city scene. I've gone ahead and uploaded this picture, which is daytime of a not a city scene, but actually a sky view, which is kind of cloudy. I want to tell Nano Banana to change it to nighttime. I'll just run and look at the difference. This is the original image. You can see it's the daytime. If I click on that, you see it's a daytime image. But look at the current image. You see it's a nighttime. So that's actually amazing. Now back on the official website, we saw up here, I think we saw some design elements here where, they had design on people's clothes. I want us to try that. So I think here it is. You know what? We'll just try to experiment that. I'm going to upload a picture. Give this prompt. I've added this photo. Add the following text on the man's t-shirt. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. And I said the font should be Sora and 700 bold. And then the font color should be neon green. I'll run that. This is the result I get. I'll click on that and see. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Oh, it made a mistake here. It thought Torah was supposed to be part of the text, but it wasn't. But I'm still impressed. Maybe you just need to be careful how you prompt it. Back on the website, it tells us about subject consistency. Maintain the consistency and resemblance of up to 5 characters and the fidelity of up to 14 objects in a single workflow. So you see, it has all of these different characters and it's put all of them on in this particular scene, looking at the TV. And you see this man holding this dress, and there is also a dress, and there's a chair, and there is a vase, and there is an art, and it's put all of them in the same room. And then you see all of these players, and it's put all of them in the same scene. I'm going to try to do that. You notice one thing, that all of these have very, very clear backgrounds, but I'm going to try it with images that are on very, very distorted backgrounds. I've uploaded 4 pictures here. You can see the man's picture, the road, newspaper, and the chair and the stool. So I say make the man to be in the middle of the road, sitting on the chair with his legs folded on the stool that's next to the chair. He should be reading the newspaper. This is an absolute stress test. I'll just run that. Look at this. This is pretty wild. This is amazing. You can see he's seated on the chair, crossing his legs, and he's in the middle of the road, and he's holding a newspaper. Now, I'm told that I've reached my Nano Banana Pro limit. I'm just going to use another account. Google, forgive me. Still on the website, I feel like trying this prompt, which says, here's a prompt: high quality, flat leaf photography, creating DIY infographic that simply explains. Anyways, we've done this for the Pinterest pin. I want us to do another one. Let's do another one. This one says create a smooth logo in graphic. We've done something like that. And then I want us to be able, you can also create change aspect ratio. Now, what I want us to try is to change that aspect ratio. I've put in this keyword, this prompt, change aspect ratio to 1:1 by reducing background. So I'll just put here that I want just the male character, just the man to be shown. And then I'll run that. For this, it has gone ahead and removed the woman. I think I may have made a mistake with the prompt, but I'll just do the last prompt. We see here, it says next level generation, create realistic images of landscape, plants, and all of that. We have examples here, which these are pretty wild. These are pretty wild, man. So I'm going to use this prompt and see what it gives me. This particular prompt, I'll copy that, and then I'm going to run it here. Let's see what it gives me. It gives me something very, very similar. I'll try the other prompt. I'll just paste that there. Remove this prompt text and hit enter. You can see this is pretty wild. This is pretty wild. Let me try something. Let me see. Make the image brighter, and it should be daytime. I'm putting it to the absolute stress test. This is what I get. It's not actually what I was expecting. Maybe I should have described it better. I should have said it should be a sunny day. And I think it would have given me a better response. So that in a nutshell is Nano Banana. Just go to the website, look at some of the use cases, look at the benchmark. It's already leading in the benchmarks. It's leading everywhere. I want to believe that it's going to be leading in LM Arena benchmarks. So you can try it in Gemini, you can try it in Google AI Studio. You can use the Gemini API. You can also use the Vertex AI Studio. So go ahead, give Gemini a try. And if you've got any comments on what we've done today, post that in the comment section, like this video and subscribe. Peace.